Well, here is what we are up to. We didn't end up filming anything here yesterday, but you can see we are in pieces. When we came over to pick Andrew up the other night, I was walking around this disc. He actually brought it to my attention that this end disc on this right side was getting thin, and they were narrower in diameter than the rest of them. Does the most work out on this end apparently. And I said, you know what, we've got a bunch of used discs that came off of this when we put new iron on this a couple years ago. So I said, well, we could put used discs on this one gang here. Well, we took the frickin' thing apart, and the damn arbor had slots in it from where all the discs were. So we're like, well, we've got two options, and we kind of ran out of time. I said we can weld this one up and put it back together, or we can see if we have one. And we do have one. Nate's just going to clean up the threads here, and we're going to put it back together with a new arbor. These are the used discs that we saved that we're going to put on there. We had the back left section that was loose. We've got to tighten that up, but we need to we spun the roll pin off, so we wanted to get that clocked correctly. We tightened up this middle one, and we've got to tighten up that one on the right hand side yet. This one here, we spun the roll pin off on it too, but we were able to get it tight. So we're just going to weld that castle nut to that arbor and let him run it. So we've got a little bit of work to do here today before we get going. Last year we put a new arbor on that section there, so we should be in decent shape. We just got to put everything back together. So I'm going to get to welding that arbor, the castle nut to that one there, and then start getting ready to tighten up that end one. We can do that end one with an impact. So we just got to reassemble things here. Do you have a nut? Here's one right here. Might need some chasing. Might even have to get after it with a grinder, because it might be fat.
Right.
So yeah. All right.
That might get a bolt.
Yeah, let's go back. There, let's try the big inside. Nate's gonna attempt to tighten that guy there. Actually, he's gonna take it off. We're gonna washer it, and then we're gonna put it back on because that end is loose. Actually, you want to pull that right off, and then you can tighten them other ones with the. You can tighten them other bolts with an impact. So another thing that we've got that one arbor welded, and then we're gonna weld this other one because we don't have any roll pins that size. We shoved the 5/16 bolt in there, and we're just gonna weld this castle nut right to the arbor. And that way we won't have to worry about it spinning off. Alright, we can start the assembly process of putting this gang here back together. We found a washer to put on this. Nate's going to get that back together. And that'll make that more gooder. So, we just got to slide everything back on here is all.
You gotta kick it back in some.
Probably need another strap.
Or do we have a long strap?
Or maybe you can try it like that.
Get right over the top of the frame. Like that. That'll buy us quite a bit, and then we can just rehook.
Yeah, we could try that.
Yeah.
You could put that strap back this way too. Yeah, don't go that far. hook the strap and put it up, just go up through the middle.
Well, that's already, we can just pull this in the back.
And just put it up in the frame. We can put it right there. I might go up there, Alright, we're just about out of battery here. We've got this one back together, and as you can see, these discs are the same size as the rest of them down through there. This one here was the inside one of this gang. So we're going to get things tightened up here and get him moving. So it needs discs on this side in the front now. Them are a little smaller, but they're not too bad. This is how many of them we got left. We actually have one more used one at home, so that's 1, 2, 3. That's 5. We'd have enough to finish that thing. Well, no, we need 12 to finish the front. So we're gonna get to the chisel plows now.